today we're going to talk about, just briefly, the required minimum distributions. And this is where there's a mandate distribution that must be taken from your retirement accounts. Now folks, some of you are thinking about the fact that you may not utilize or need the mandatory distributions from your retirement accounts because you're looking at the tax consequences. The monies now have stopped gaining interest or growth. Well, there's a solution to that. I can help you avoid costly mistakes when it comes to taking the required minimum distribution, because there may be a fine if you do not take it in a timely fashion. Number two, there are programs out there in which those RMDs I refer to, required minimum distributions, you can utilize for your legacy, your skilled care, just to name a few. Contact me at Freeman at justaskfreeman.com immediately and get your RMD kit, and we have that available to you. It didn't cost you a dime.